Let's start with the calligraphy home of Mr. Zhu Zhouyin. He was a great artist, calligrapher, also a politician of Qing dynasty. He is good at Yan Zhenqing calligraphy, especially good at regular script. Here's a stone rubbing activity. You can buy white paper to play on, but you can bring your own paper. If you don't want to spend money on it, there's also water writing stone plates free of using. Take a Chinese brush and dip water. Try to write. From right to left are clerical script, regular script, and seal script. While on the wall, there's a long Buddhism, the Heart Sutra. It's very popular in China. On the second floor, there's a calligraphy exhibition. If you are interested, you can take a view, but it's not for sale. Then is the former Tide and Co merchant house. As you can see, this double-story house is a fusion of both Eastern and Western style. While there's a weathercock to test the wind direction. Let's go inside. On the right-handed room, you can see many maps recording the trade route of 16th and 17th century in East Asia. These ceramics are blue and white porcelain dishes with floral patterns. This coin is real. It was very popular in 17th century. International businessmen used it to trade. There you can see the pictures showing how to trade, like a shoulder pole of rice equals to 3 reals. Then the second room, there's an office desk and a chair, but don't sit on it. Since it's old and is not for a human, just take photos. This portrait is Chinese General Koxinga. He defeated the Dutch in 1661 and regained Taiwan. There you can see an old map of 17th century. At that time, Taiwan, especially Tainan, is all in ocean. From Chikan Tower to the Anping Fort was all ocean. In the left side, there are also maps and a deer. In 17th century, Taiwan was famous for exporting deer skins. Let's go upstairs. The black and white movies record the ocean life of Taiwan. On the second floor, in the right-hand room, you can experience the porter life in Qing dynasty. There are tea leaves, rice, deer skin, oats, and sugarcane models. So, take a shoulder pole and load goods into it, but try not to harm yourself, since it equals to 1 kilogram or 2 kilograms. Another room is the history of Tide and Co Company from 1867 to 1911, and you can see sugar, opium, salt, camphor models. While there is a beautiful dining table for treating customers, you can see a teapot, cups, and a candlestick, also a mirror and a clock. In the left-handed room, there was a big seaboat, and there are heavy loads. That's for the ship not to be turned over by wind. What's more, the human models are loaded with audio facility. If you come closer, you can hear it say, "Do you need a worker? Do you need a worker?" There are also brochures in many languages. You can take it. On the corridor, there are many lights marking the history from 17th century to 20th century. The third part is Anping Tree House. This tree house was the warehouse of Tide and Co Company. After deserted, there grew many banyan trees. Banyan trees are famous for its roots. Since its roots widened each other, and the feature is that it grows from up to down. You can see the thick one and the thin one. Let's go upstairs. You can hear birds chirping, squirrels jumping among trees. On the right side, there's a sky bridge. You can climb up to see Yanshui Estuary. While there's a pedal-powered water wheels, experience ancient village life. Manually pedal these water wheels for watering the crops, but don't try it anti-clockwise, or it will malfunction. There's a street artist selling handicrafts, and there's also a souvenir shop selling snacks and clothes. Thank you for your listening.